Today I brought out my revolver. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make a sight adjustment to it. The gun comes all sighted in, but I'm going to adjust them to the average distance that I shoot at. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start shooting from 20 feet from the target and see where I'm at. My goal is to adjust them to 30 feet out. Like I said, I'll start with 20, see where I'm at, and work my way out. All right, 20 feet out. Let's see where we're hitting. Okay, so 20 feet out, here's my first shot, second, third, and then I was kind of up here. So I am hitting there in the middle. It is hitting kind of high. The majority of them are hitting kind of high. So what I'll do now is I'll put a new target up and I'll move out to 30 feet and see if there's any difference there. Okay, I'm 30 feet out now. Okay, so 30 feet out, still did hit the center. I'm hitting more left there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make a slight adjustment on the sight. Okay, the adjustment that I'm going to be making on the sight is I'm going to start out adjusting. It's hitting just a tad bit high, so I don't even necessarily need to make this, but I'll see if it does anything. When you're adjusting your sights for it to shoot higher or lower, if you need it to shoot higher, loosen it up, it's going to come up, and vice versa. If you need your bullet to go lower, just tighten it up. So I'm going to loosen it up, and what you do is start out up here in the front, loosen that guy just a tad, and you'll hear the clicking as you turn your adjustment screw, and I'm just going to go one click at a time. So there's that. And then since my bolts are hitting left, I'm going to screw this screw in, and it's going to bring it over to the right. And then if I was hitting too far to my right, I would do vice versa. I would loosen it up. And that one there too, I'm going to go one click with it. So we'll start with that and see if that changes anything. Okay, so here's 3 out of those 6. The other ones went up here. What it is when I take my time, I'm hitting dead center, or maybe right in there or whatever, but I'm not hitting far off. So that's one thing that I got to work on, is just taking my time Alright, so after adjusting the sight up a little bit, and then I tightened it up to move it to the right, which brought my bullet over also. It was all I needed to do to be able to hit the target where I was aiming. So I hope I've helped you guys out. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. And thanks again for watching.